नमस्ते बिटिया हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया Myself JVN Dr. Astha Sikarwar Assistant Professor Department of Organ of Medicine Faculty of Homeopathic Science Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Today's topic is Life History of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Full name Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann. Birthplace Meissen in Germany. Grandfather Christoph Hahnemann. Father's name Christian Gottfried Hahnemann. Father published a book on watercolor painting. Father's first wife Johanna Leonorni Dres. Hahnemann's mother Johanna Christian Sepsian. Hahnemann's birth house Corner House at Meissen. Hahnemann, third child of his mother and Gottfried Hahnemann. Date of birth 10th April 1755, midnight of 10th April 1755, baptized into Lutheran faith 3 days after birth. Hahnemann got his primary education from his parents' schools, Latin Town School and Princess School at Meissen. Essay prepared on leaving Princess School, the wonderful construction of human hand. Medical study at Leipzig University 1775. Clinical practice at Vienna at Brothers of Mercy Hospital. Doctor Juan Queren was his favorite guide there. Hahnemann then worked as the family physician and librarian of Mr. Bruckenthal, governor of Transylvania. Hahnemann got his MD degree from Erlangen. MD thesis, a summary of the conditions of cramp according to cause and cure. Hahnemann began his practice at Hastead. First marriage 17th November 1782. Henriette Kuchler, adopted daughter of Mr. Hassel. Hahnemann fondly called his wife Alice. 1750 translation of Cullen's Mathematica, 2 volumes. First mental patient treated by Hahnemann. Lockenberg, sorry, Lockenbring nursing home for mental patients was started at Gotha. Works of Hahnemann known as the foundations of homeopathy. Essay on new principle for the curative powers of drugs and some examination of the previous principles and are the obstacles to the attainment of simplicity and certainty in practical medicine insurmountable. Hahnemann's preventive for scarlatina, belladonna, 1801, 50th year since the conferment of MD to Hahnemann, 10th August 1929, lesser writing was published. Second marriage, 32-year-old Madame Melanie de Harvely, 18 January 1835. Hahnemann died on 2nd July 1843 at 5 a.m. First buried in Montmartre Cemetery of Paris, reburied at Père Lachaise Cemetery. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann was the founder of a new system of medicine which he evolved through his extensive efforts. He devoted more than half his life for its worldwide spread and rooted the foundation of this science and art so firmly that today homeopathy is practiced and recognized worldwide. In fact, it is gaining immense popularity with all sections of society among all nations. Hahnemann, therefore, is rightly called the father of homeopathy. He established the fundamental principles of the science and art of homeopathy. He, he is called the father of experimental pharmacology because he was the first physician to prepare medicines in a specialized way proving them on healthy human beings to determine how the medicines acted to cure diseases. Before Hahnemann, medicines were given on speculative indications mainly on the basis of authority without experimental verification. Dr. Hahnemann espoused the law of cure known as similivia similis curantur, all like cures like. This means that a remedy that produces symptoms in a healthy person will cure those same symptoms when manifested by a person in a diseased state. This law of cure has been verified by millions of homeopaths all over the world since the time of Hahnemann. Hahnemann's three major publications illumine the development of homeopathy. In the organ of medicine, revised 6 times, we see the fundamentals laid out. Materia Medica Pura records the exact symptoms of the remedy, proving in his book the chronic diseases, their peculiar nature, and their homeopathic cure. He showed us how the natural diseases become chronic in nature when suppressed by improper treatment. Dr. Hahnemann treated thousands of difficult and chronic cases that defined the best care from allopaths all over Europe. Thus, he became so famous that physicians from Europe and America came to him for coaching in the new science and art of healing called homeopathy. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.